Hi, I'm WFS Simmons. This is webfilmschool.com, and this segment, we're going to start making our first feature film, $1 million feature. But I'm going to show you how to make your $1 million feature step by step for $250,000 to $400,000. By the way, what's a step? A check, a bank check. I want you to look on your screen right now. See what's coming up? There, the graphic. It's the top sheet of a budget. In a feature film budget, the top sheet, the first page, has the basic 38 line items. This, I'm going to teach you, is the 38 checks of filmmaking. Look at that top sheet again. Take a look at line item number 1. That's what we're getting into right now, your producer's fee. You want to know what to get paid. Here's the bottom line, what to get paid for your first feature film. Anything you can get. But here's the bottom line. Put in approximately $10,000 to $16,000 as a producer's fee for a $250,000 to $400,000 real budget. That's going to be $1 million feature film. Now, here's how I came up with that number. First off, if you take one of those theory-laden 4-year film schools, USC, UCLA, NYU, they teach producer gets 10% of the budget. Nice information. By the way, once you divide that up between the producer, the co-producer, associate producer, the executive producers, possibly the line producer, the production secretary, the production staff, what's left for you at the most? Ballpark, about 4% of the budget. Here's the bottom line for you. Here's what you should figure out. How much money do you need to live for a month? Figure that one out. Because when you produce your first feature film, you're going to do nothing but producing 12 to 18 hours a day, every day for 4 months. And during those 4 months, you got to pay your rent. You got to pay your mortgage. You got to feed your face. So each one of you are a little bit different. Figure out how much money you need just to subsist for a month, then multiply by 4 months, and put that number in as your producer's fee. I'm assuming it's going to be a total of $10,000 to $16,000 or 4% of the budget. So right now, the first line item you're filling in on your $1 million feature made for $250,000 to $400,000 is check number 1, line item number 1, your producer's fee, $10,000 to $16,000. Got it? Here's what you've just learned. When you make a feature film from beginning to end, you're going to write 38 bank checks. That's the 38 steps of filmmaking. And the first bank check you're going to write is line item number 1 on the top sheet of the budget, producer's fee. Let's get into your producer's fee. It is usually taught at those theory-laden film schools, 10% of the budget. That's nice information, but it's not realistic. Your producer's fee is going to be 4% of the budget. 4% of the budget. And remember, there's no life after film. What do I mean by that? When you're making your feature film, even though it's a 2 or 3 week shoot, you're going to be working for 4 months, 18-hour days, and you have no other job. And you have living expenses. You got rent, you got food, you got car, you got insurance. So let's take a look at the real numbers. If you're going to make $1 million feature for $250,000 to $400,000, 4% of the budget is going to be $10,000 to $16,000. The top sheet of your budget, line item 1, producer's fee. Put in $10,000 to $16,000. Now, would you like to know what to pay your screenwriter and buying a script? Take a look at the next segment, secret number 37. Here's bottom line. Let me cut to the chase. Anyone can produce, write, or direct a feature film given the basic information, and I intend on giving it to you with my amazing 2-day film school. And by the way, take a look over here, the DVD film school. It's amazing. If you want to launch your career, it's up to you now. Take action.